So before I get started, I just want to quickly go over a couple of settings within Blender's users settings. I just also want to let you guys know that I am using Blender 2.83. That's the long-term support release or whatever it's called. So just quickly want to go up to Edit Preferences and down here under Key Map. Here on the right-hand side next to spacebar action, I like to set my spacebar action to search. And then down here next to tab for Pi menu, I want to usually enable this. And what these two things do, the spacebar action for search basically just gives you a context-sensitive little menu that you get when you press spacebar, so you can search up different options and so on. Very useful. And then, of course, the other tab for Pi menu just lets you tab into any different edit mode within the 3D view, as opposed to just tabbing in and out of edit mode. So both of those are how I prefer to have things set up. So just so that you know, the tab for Pi menu is very useful for quickly getting in and out of where you want to be. Once you get used to it, it's quite nice. So I don't know if you haven't used it yet, maybe give it a try. Those are my personal preferences in here. So yeah, with that out of the way, let's get going with taking a look at the reference and then getting into block out.